Today, your online reputation matters more than ever. Using Real Leads Finder Pro systems, managing your reputation has never been easier. We make it easy to capture, track, and reply to all of your reviews and conversations into one central dashboard on your devices. You can access all of your conversations, contacts, appointments, and reviews in one place. From all-star ratings to every text, message, email, and social media comment. From Google Business Chats to social media comments and everything in between. We give you the automated tools to deliver a better customer experience by responding to feedback in real time. When it comes to running a service-based business, online reviews are your bread and butter. Take a look at these stats. 82% of consumers consult online reviews for local small businesses. Online reviews are twice as likely to be an important factor in choosing a local small business over loyalty, and 7 times more effective than traditional marketing. That bears repeating. Online reviews are 7 times more effective than traditional marketing. 87% of people say that quality of service is the most important detail when looking at online reviews for service-based businesses. 78% also say that cost is equally as important. The more reviews you can generate over time, the higher Google will place your business listing in search results because they see more activity engaging with your Google listing. Here's what will happen as your online reputation consistently grows. New customers who are searching online for a lender will read your reviews and contact you directly. Those customers will send you referrals from family and friends. Some of those new customers will already have realtors working with them, giving you the chance to develop those realtors as referral partners. And as more reviews come in, you continue to build your reputation as the leading local lender. Now you're generating new business and referrals, closing more loans, adding new realtor partners, and building up your social proof as a #1 lender in your city. Real Leads Finder Pro will pull all of your online chats from Google, websites, and text messages, including Facebook and Instagram messages, all into one central dashboard where you can track, manage, and reply to them quickly and easily. You'll also get a 2-way messaging system that funnels all of your emails, Facebook, and Instagram messages right into your dashboard and through our free mobile app. With Google's new chat feature, when anyone contacts you via your Google business listing, it too will funnel into your dashboard and alert you of the conversation. This is how you stay ahead of your competitors and never let another lead pass you by. Let our AI system act as your virtual receptionist, capturing new contact details, replying to inquiries, sending notifications, booking appointments, and assigning contacts to teams are just a few of the features available to you. Our system will also integrate with your Google and Outlook calendars, making online booking easy. Using our free mobile app, you can easily track, manage, and reply to all incoming online chats, social media messages, and email campaigns. The app displays your opportunities, pipeline value, and conversion rate. Keep track of your tasks and average review ratings. Using Real Leads Finder Pro tools, you can control every aspect of your own marketing. Want to schedule social media posts weeks or months in advance? Check. Want to set up automated bookings? Check. Want to set up automations to reply to online inquiries, phone calls, and text messages? Check. The Real Leads Finder Pro system is packed with advanced tools, templates, and pre-built automations ready for you. Stop paying for a la carte tools when you can grab it all in one place for less. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more new videos and marketing tips.